Alex works at a job where he makes a base pay of $250 per week and an additional amount for each sale. If Alex makes $385 in 1 week for 3 sales and $475 in another week for 5 sales, how much does Alex make per sale? So let's take the information from the problem and let's highlight some of the important parts. So he makes $385 if he made 3 sales, but he earns $475 if he makes 5 sales. So let's organize that into a table. So in the number of sales column, we see 1 week he made 3 sales, 1 week he made 5 sales, and then in the money earned column, we have his corresponding dollar amount. We can think of these as X values and Y values. So from there, we can generate 2 ordered pairs. So our X1, Y1 is 3, 385, and our X2, Y2 is the ordered pair 5, 475. Using these 2 ordered pairs, we can calculate the slope between those 2 points. So remember our slope formula. We take the Y2 value minus the Y1 value. So in this case, it's 475 minus 385. And we divide that by the X2 value minus the X1 value, so 5 minus 3. After some simplifying, I get 90 over 2, which simplifies to 45 over 1. Now, there's a reason why I left the 1 in the denominator, because now we want to interpret this as a rate of change. We want to see how his money earned changes as his number of sales also changes. So we're seeing how his money changes in respect to the amount of sales he makes. So in the numerator, we found the change in Y. Well, our Y values represented the money that he earned. So that 45 in the numerator represents dollars. The denominator, we found the change in X. Well, the X values represented his number of sales. So from this fraction, I can see he earns $45 for 1 sale. So I can answer the problem and confidently say that Alex makes $45 per sale.